CJ, sabihin mo, happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola.
I love you.
I love you. Maligayang bati sa iyong pagsilang. Maligayang bati.
Yay! Bye-bye na kayo. Flying kiss.
Happy birthday, Lola Josie! We love you!
Happy birthday, Lola Josie!
Good health always, long life,
God bless po.
and God bless. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Long live.
Ikaw ang pinakamatanda namin ninuno, pero looking young hanggang ngayon. I love you.
Happy 85th birthday, Lola Josie! More birthdays to come po.
Sana gumaling na yung tuhod nyo.
Sana mabapabuhay nyo para makuha yung 100K.
Stay happy, healthy, and beautiful.
Hi, Lola Josie! Happy birthday po! We are all glad na you are still very strong and napakaganda nyo pa din. I miss you so much po. Miss ko na yung mga pinagsamahan natin sa tindahan. I miss yung bola-bola nyo with Miss Wa. Happy birthday! Bye! Ano sabi mo?
Happy birthday, Lola Josie!
We love you po! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Tia Josie. Mabait na tita ko yan. Noon, nandyan ako sa kanila. Andyan ako sa tindahan nila dati. Kasama ko lagi yan, Tia Josie. Jobet, Ate Luisa, Kuya Randy. Si Tia Josie, maalalahanin sa pamangkin yan. Medyo, sabihin na natin na stricto pagdating sa pagdisiplina sa mga pamangkin. Pero sa totoo, napakabait talaga niyan. Kaya muli, happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Yun lang po. At saka magpalakas po kayo. Maraming salamat po, tita. Love you.
Hello, Tita Josie. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana mas sumaba pa yung buhay mo. At saka lagi kang maging masaya. Yun lang.
Hi, Lola Josie!
Hi, Lola Josie!
Happy birthday! Merry Christmas!
Josie, happy birthday! Merry Christmas!
Happy birthday, Lola Josie! Merry Christmas! Happy birthday, Lola Josie! Merry Christmas!
More birthdays to come po! And we're
Happy.
going to see you again soon with our little baby
See you
girl.
again soon with Haley.
With baby Haley.
Show baby Haley.
So, baby.
have to apologize. My wife is a teacher.
Bye. Enjoy your
Take
birthday.
care. Enjoy your
We love
birthday.
you.
We love you.
See you.
Hello ate! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo, sana maraming birthday ka pang dumating. Miss you na. Love you. Mwah! Ganun lang.
Happy birthday, tita! Wish you good health. Lahat naman nasa iyo na. Mag-iingat ka palagi. God bless. See you soon. Sana makapag-banding ulit tayo. Happy birthday! We love you!
Bye! Love you!
Hi everyone! Merry Christmas! I'm Susan Suzuki. Pamangkin ako ng ating beautiful birthday celebrant. So ayan, hello sa napaka-beautiful kong tita. I just wanna say happy birthday to you. Wishing you a good health and a long life. So wala na akong mahihiling pang iba dahil alam ko na happy ka ngayon sa life mo. Lahat na sa'yo na. But hoping someday na magkita ulit tayo for bonding. I miss you, tita. Ingat ka lagi. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Nanay Josie!
Nanay Josie, Mami si Josie. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to you and to all of your loved ones. God bless to all of you. We love you.
Love you.
Hello.
happy birthday, Sister Josie. Ang masasabi ko lang sa iyo, hindi ka lang kapatid, best friend. Ilang dekada na tayo magkakasama, magkaibigan. Hanggang ngayon, tayo pa rin. At wishing you good health and happiness with your family. Mahal na mahal ka ng mga anak mo. At ganun din naman kaming mga kaibigan mo. Especially tayo na mula noon hanggang ngayon, magkapatid sa ibang magulang, pero ang pagkakaunawa natin ay gano'n na lang. Sana humaba pa ang iyong buhay. At nang tayo magkasama-sama, magkakaroon tayo ng reunion sa isa nating kaibigan pa rin na kapatid. Maging masaya ang iyong Pasko, birthday, at bagong taon. Happy birthday.
Hi, Nanay. Happy birthday. Pasensya ka na, wala si Amari at natulog. Busy kasi kami ngayon. Magpe-prepare kasi kami. Anyways, Nay, always good health. Wala akong ibang wish para sa'yo kundi good health na lang. Kasi alam ko naman na nasa iyo na yung lahat. Yun na lang ang gusto namin. Humaba pa sana yung buhay mo. Kaya uuwi kami, malapit na. Mahal na mahal kita, Nay. Happy birthday! Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat! I love you!
Happy birthday, Grandma. I hope it's your happiest day ever. We love you.
Happy birthday, Grandma. Hope your birthday is as special as you are. We love you.
Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, ate. Nandito kami sa Santa Maria. Dito kami magpapasko. Kaya wala ako sa Malabon. Ay, happy birthday and Merry Christmas tuloy. Happy New Year. At Happy New Year pa. Sana dumating pa ang maraming taon sa iyong birthday, marami pang taon at maraming handa. Happy birthday uli at Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy birthday, ate. Ang wish ko sa'yo, humaba pa ang buhay mo. Okay na?
Everybody smart and you've ever lived. This is for you. Be my lady. Come to me and take my hand. And be my lady. Truly I must let you know that it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Be my lady. Maybe you could lose the pain if you just tell me. Say the words you long to whisper that I want to hear. Something's on your mind. Is it hidden in your smile? Come on. Be mine. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. No walls divide us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all